Hello everyone, my name is Wills, and I'm going to teach you how to make use of digital ads. So in this course you'll be able to learn the following. Now that's the objectives. Number one, you'll be learning about the significance of this course. Then number two, you will learn about the opportunities that exist in the market with digital ads. Then number three, you learn about the different types of ads that are there in the market. So just a brief overview about the significance of this course. Now if you learn the skills in this course, I want to guarantee you that you'll be able to create digital ads. Now once you learn how to create digital ads, you'll also start learning how to make money using the skills you'll have learned from this course. So another thing, who can benefit from this course? Now this course is designed for anyone who is interested in getting employment as a creator. You can be employed as a creator by an individual, business or organization that is looking for people who can create digital ads. An example, you can be employed by someone on YouTube just to be creating images. They are called thumbnails. We shall look at them later on. You can also be employed by somebody who is running ads on Facebook, Instagram, and even Twitter or any other social media platform. Now another opportunity is that you can start your own agency. We shall look at it also later. Then this course is also designed for anyone who is interested in promoting his or her own brand on social media or any other digital platform. For example, if you are interested in promoting your own Instagram page, this is the course that you need to take, because I'll be showing you how you can create good content that people can like, or content that can go viral. Then this course is also intended for anyone who is interested in starting an online business that is involved with creating digital ads. For example, anybody who wants to start a business online and targets other businesses. For example, you can start a business where you are creating simple ads for local businesses. So this course will give you the skills that you can start creating content and monetize it. Anybody who is also operating an advertising agency. For example, if you are an employee in an organization that is advertising, this course will also give you skills that you can use to do projects that are involving designing and creating content for other businesses or your own organization. Then opportunities, I've already mentioned about them. You can become an ad creator, you can become an ads manager. For example, ads manager earning as much as $30,000 $60,000. That is in the US. So you can imagine that kind of amount just to manage ads on Facebook, and you don't even use your own money. It is the person who has engaged you to manage the ads who will be spending their money, but you'll just be optimizing the ads to ensure that they are producing the required results. So you can also be employed as a social media manager. For example, somebody can employ you to work on his or her Instagram page. Now your work will be to upload images or videos every day, just as a way of growing that channel and engaging with the customers. Now another opportunity is about business. You can start selling ads. For example, you can create your own thumbnails, you can create your own infographics, you can create your own posters, you can create banners and sell to individuals or other businesses. So let us define digital ads. Now digital ads is images, they are text, they are video, they are voices, and any other form of content that can be used for promoting a product or service online or offline. Now ads can also be used to promote individuals or organizations. An ad can be used to promote a political party. An ad can be used to promote a politician. An ad can be used to promote a personal brand. An ad can be used to promote a non-profit organization. An ad can be used to promote a business organization. Now how are these ads disseminated? Now ads are promoted through both traditional and digital marketing means. Now for example, I'll explain what we mean by traditional marketing. Now traditional marketing means, for example, an ad can be posted in a newspaper. That is the traditional way we know how marketing is done. An ad can be handed by hand. For example, if you have a business card, that's an example of an ad. You also have flyers, you also have pamphlets. They can be handed by hand, and they do the traditional marketing. Then we also have digital marketing means. That is where there is a huge growth in social media networks. We have websites, we also have emails. So we can have ads being disseminated on social media networks such as Facebook, where you will find ads that are running every day. They are promoting individuals and promoting businesses and so much. We also have ads running on websites. Nowadays people promote ads on blogs. For example, you can have a blog article, then you'll see ads popping up in form of banners and so on. You can also have ads that are disseminated through emails. You can receive an email containing an ad, containing a clickable ad, whereby if you click on the image, it will take you to a landing page where you can buy or do other actions. So that is basically, we have examples of digital ads. Now I'll briefly look at a few examples just to help you understand what are these ads. So we have Facebook ads, we have Pinterest pins, we have YouTube thumbnails, we have infographics. I will be showing you examples of that. Then in another category, that is website and others, we have banners, we have posters, we have videos, we have invitations, we also have t-shirts, we have invoices, we have resumes, we have business cards, and we have flyers. So the list is just endless. Any artwork can be made with software, and I'll be teaching you in the next lesson how we can start making these ads using a software tool. So let me just show you a few examples of the Facebook ads, pins and thumbnails. So guys, as you can see, I'm on my Facebook account and we have this ad by Bill Gates. So for you to see that it's a ad, you see the word here, sponsored. See this? Then we have the message here, and you have the image. You have the image that is created and some more text here. So this is what makes an ad that is published on Facebook. So you will learn how to make such ads for people who are publishing and advertising on Facebook. So guys, this is an example of another ad called Pin. If you go to pininterest.com, you'll be able to click on pins that will direct you to a website. So for example, let's say this. You see, this is an example of a pin. And let's see another one. You see, and when you click on the link, it leads you to a website. So there are so many people who are marketing their websites using Pinterest pins. So another ad that you learn in this course is a YouTube thumbnail. A YouTube thumbnail refers to these images you see on YouTube videos. They are very attractive images that you can click on to start watching the video. Now thumbnails are very important in promoting channels and specific videos. So they also have specific measurements and other elements that you need to learn how to use and apply. So that is YouTube thumbnail. An infographic is diagram that is used to explain a process or just give some information about a topic. For example, we have here an example of an infographic explaining about matters on health. So I will also teach you how to make such infographics that are used for marketing content. For example, when this infographic is posted on Twitter, you will find people clicking on it and they are directed to our website. The same thing applies to Instagram, where we have businesses or individuals posting infographics and they are used to drive traffic to their website. So you learn how to make such infographics using templates